Hello everyone and welcome back to Maths Olympiad problem solving series. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem. So let's see the problem. Cube root of 2 plus root 5 then plus cube root of 2 minus root 5 is a what? Rational number. Okay, so is a rational number that we have to show here. So if this is a rational number, so for that particular thing, suppose we are supposing that this whole expression is how much? X. Then in the next line, what we can do, we can write x. Let us bring this two particular term on the left hand side. Cube root of 2 plus root 5 and then minus cube root of 2 minus root 5 equals to what? 0. Okay. Now you observe it very carefully. This is of this particular form a, this is b, and if we choose this is c, so a plus b plus c equals to 0. So what we have, we know that if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is how much? 3abc, right? So we have a very beautiful result. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So this particular result we are going to use here. So our b is how much? Minus of cube root of 2 plus root 5, and our c is minus of cube root over 2 minus root 5. So what we can write now then? We can write a cube. Our a is x, so a cube. Then our b is minus of cube root of 2 plus root 5. So b cube means minus will still remain b cube. So if we cube it, what we'll get? Our b is cube root of 2 plus root 5, right? So it is 2 plus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. So if we cube it, this is b. So if we, this is our b. So if we cube it, minus will remain and this 1 by 3 will go. So it will be 2 plus root 5. Similarly, c cube is minus 2 minus root 5. And on the right hand side, what we can write? On the right hand side, we can write like this. 3 into a, then b. Our b is how much? Minus cube root of 2 plus root 5. Then c is minus cube root of 2 minus root 5. Okay. So this implies x cube. Here root 5 will be cancel out, minus 4. On the right hand side you will get 3x. This minus and this minus, it will become plus. And then this is 2 plus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. Then 2 minus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. So this is our 3x. These two if we combine, means if we write in one bracket 2 minus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. So 3x, this is nothing but of the form a square minus b square. So it will be 4 minus 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. 3x, then minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is odd. So minus will remain thrice x. So now let us bring this minus thrice x on the left hand side. So it will be thrice x minus 4 equals to 0. So this is the cubic equation we get after solving. Now since it is a cubic equation, so we have 3 values, right? We should have 3 values. So now by a trial and error method, if we put x equal to 1, what will happen? To the left hand side, 1 plus 3 minus 4. So see, it will become 0. So that means x equal to 1 is a root. Okay, one root we have, x equal to 1. Now let us try to find the other two root. So if x equal to 1 is a root, that means x minus 1 is a factor of this particular cubic equation. Now what to do? We have to divide this particular cubic equation with x minus 1. So this thing you all know. So after dividing this particular factor equation with x minus 1, we have two factors. One is x minus 1, another one will be x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. Because when you multiply it, exactly this one you will get. Okay. So from first one, we have already x equals to 1. But see from the second one is x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. So this cannot be solved. We cannot factorize it. So what to do? We have to find the root by using this formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice. So inside the root you have negative, right? negative term, root over minus 15. So which is a complex number, not real. But here we are concerning with the rational number, which is a real number. So not real. So finally, what we have? We have only one value, which is x equals to 1. Now what is x? This is our x, right? This is our x. This x. So what we have? X equals to how much? 1. And 1 is a rational number. Rational number. So this is our solution. Cube root of 2 plus root 5 plus cube root of 2 minus root 5. The value is 1, which is nothing but a rational number. So thank you for watching the video. So I hope you like the solution. So to get this type of video, kindly subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you once again.